DJI has ruled the skies for years, but that might be about to change. Meet the Antigravity A1, the world's first 8K 360-degree drone, built with Insta360's DNA and designed to disappear right out of your footage. This could change drone cinematography forever. This isn't just another flying camera. The Antigravity brand was incubated by Insta360 alongside third-party partners, merging expertise in immersive 360 video with aerial capture. While Insta360 built its reputation on action cams, the A1 takes that tech to the skies with a promise to rival DJI's dominance. At the core is a dual-lens camera system capturing full 360-degree environment with no blind spots. Advanced stitching algorithms make the drone invisible in final footage. Your audience feels like they're floating through air with nothing in the way, a game-changer for FPV shots and VR content. The A1 isn't just about footage, it's about how you fly. Paired with vision goggles and grip controller, you get FreeMotion technology. Look anywhere while flying in a different direction. Chase subjects while scanning the horizon. With 8K 360-degree capture, every possible angle is recorded at once. Massive editing freedom, reframe in post, export multiple angles, add dynamic moves without reflying. For creators, this means no missed shots. You already captured everything. Despite its power, the A1 weighs just 249 grams, light enough for license-free flying. Return to home safety, payload detection, travel-friendly build, and pricing to compete with DJI's mini-series, set for January 2026 launch. DJI has serious competition, especially if Antigravity nails software support. This isn't just a new drone, it's potentially a new category entirely. By merging 8K 360 capture with advanced flight immersion, the A1 could redefine aerial storytelling. Will it pull pilots away from DJI or become a niche tool for select creators? Either way, January 2026 could be very interesting for drone enthusiasts.